Today's the last day of week 2, and we've been making decent progress. We are currently finalizing the prototypes so we can make the final design, but with the snowstorm coming, we're all a little worried.
I don't think we're gonna get any snow this weekend. I think we're panicking for no reason.
What? You're insane.
I mean, it's a bit unfortunate that what's been called the biggest blizzard in a decade is coming our way. But we're gonna do our best to keep going.
So far this build season, I have assisted with prototyping the intake and the shooter, as well as organized the closet. Today I am working on putting our new stuff in the closet, as well as continuing to organize the closet and make it a not horrible place to find stuff. Today I am cleaning the closet. It was really messy, so today it was up to here in just random stuff. So far I've cleaned up this area over here, and am cleaning up this so I can then put the new stuff that we just got today over here organized, unlike the stuff that is currently on here.
All right, so I'm Aiden. I'm the I'm the mechanical lead this year. What I've done so far is we've been building out all the game pieces and field elements for the robot, and today I'm working on finishing the tower as well as finishing the trench for our robot to practice on. All right, so this is what we're working on today. This is the tower. This is where our robot's going to hang from right here. These are 3 holes. We're going to be putting metal rods through for the robot to hang on. This is the back right here. We're going to attach supports onto it so that it doesn't fall over when the robot hangs on. And yeah, that's essentially it.
Alright, so what I've been working on over the past 2 weeks is focusing on prototyping for Climb and just general design stuff for it. Well, in particular, what I've been trying to focus on is a good driving mechanism for Climb. Last week, what we've tried to do is do a direct drive, but that did not work. So today, Saturday the 24th, we've decided to switch to a winch, which will wind up in order to get lots of torque. This is our Climb prototype. It's supposed to climb. Hopefully it does. So basically it consists of an arm, a base. Right now we're clamping it, but currently some people are working on drilling some screws into it. As you can see, there is a sort of holes for bearings through here. The arm, what we're gonna do actually is we're gonna drill a hole in there and stick some dynamo through it. And what we're gonna do is then we're gonna have another shaft down here-ish. And basically, after that, we're just gonna drill another hole through that, and then we're just gonna wind it up. Simple as that.
Yeah, since the season started, we've been very, very busy doing a lot of important stuff. We've played a vital role in helping pretty much majority of the team. We've been doing a ton of mechanical stuff.
Yeah, and today we're saving mechanicals' butts and helping them with their climb thingy. So, yeah.
So we're currently building the pieces for the game. This is for a climb, and we need to drill some holes.
Yeah, literally all we're doing is drilling holes in the wood.
So far this build season, we've mostly just been working on building game pieces because software doesn't really do anything. But today they're testing out some of the code for the shooter.
The team is attempting to cause the shooter to work. We are trying various different settings to make it behave itself.
So business development, now that the build season has properly started, has very different responsibilities because we already on our grants. So now we're working on other erroneous projects. For example, team merchandising, right? We've designed some shirts recently, and we're working on, in particular today, filling out some special awards for some specific team members of ours that we want to really recognize.
We're trying our best.